Myself Enagila, working as an assistant professor, belongs to the biomedical engineering department. Today we are going to see about the Internet of Things. In the first unit of Internet of Things is basic content is evaluation of Internet of Things. Normally, the Internet of Things is a describes physical objects or groups of such objects that are embedded with the sensors, processing ability, software, and other technologies, and that connect and exchange data with the other devices and systems over the Internet or other communications network. In the evaluation of part, the origin of Web 1.0 is important. This is static web pages, no interaction, content contribution from the users, proprietary protocols and applications, publications oriented like newspaper, portals, Britannia Online, that etc. The field has evolved due to the convergence of multiple technologies, including ubiquitous computing, commodity sensors, increasingly powerful embedded system, and machine learning method. Traditional field of embedded systems, wireless sensor network, control systems, automation. Automation is nothing like including home and building automation. So, independently and collectively enable the Internet of Things. In the consumer market, IoT technology is most synonymous with the products pertaining to the concept of the smart home, including devices and appliances such as lighting fixture, thermostats, home security systems, and cameras that support one or more common ecosystem and can be controlled via devices associated with that ecosystem such as smartphones and smart speakers. The IoT can also be used in the healthcare systems. Next one is Web 2.0. This is a dynamic content used a dependent outcome. So that there are a number of concerns with the risk in the growth of IoT technologies and product, especially in the areas of privacy and security, and consequently, so the industry and the governmental moves to address these concerns have begun, including the development of international and local standards, guidelines, and regulatory framework. In the Web 2.0, this is a dynamic content connecting with the other people via social networking like Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, community tagging, voting circles, e-commerce boom, Amazon, eBay, etc. Next, history of the kind. The main concept of a network of small devices was discussed as early as 1982 with a modified Coca-Cola vending machine at Carnegie Mellon University becoming the first Apparent Connect appliance able to report its inventory and whether newly loaded drinks were cold or not. So, Mark Weiss's 1991 paper on ubiquitous computing, the computer of the 21st century, as well as academic venues such as a UPComp and PERCOM, produced the contemporary vision of the IoT. In 1994, Riza Raji described the concept in IEEE spectrum as moving small packets of data to a large set of nodes. Then services like Google Docs, Calendar, Cloud, application-based user interaction, web-based apps, Android such like iOS. Next one is Web 3.0. This is intelligent and omnipresent increase in open standards like MOOCs, Massive Open Online Course. This is advanced protocols and algorithms, context-based content generation using machine learning method. This one is the main concept of a network of small devices system. Field of gained momentum when Bill Joy enhanced device communication as part of his six waves framework presented at the World Economic Forums at Davos in 1999. The concept of the Internet of Things and the term itself first appeared in a speech by Peter T. Lewis to the Congressional Black Caucus Foundation, a 15th annual legislative week conducted in Washington, D.C. published in September 1985. Academic, according to the Lewis, the Internet of Things or IoT is the integration of people, process and technology with the conceptual devices and sensors to enable remote monitoring status, manipulation and evaluation of trends on such devices. So, advanced protocols and algorithms, context-based content generation and using machine learning method. Next one is what is Internet of Things. This is conceptualized in the early 2007 at MIT's Auto IT lab by Kevin Acetone. If we had computers that knew everything there was to be known about things, so the concept of the Internet of Things and term itself first appeared in a speech by the Peter D. Lewis. The term Internet of Things was coined independently by Kevin Aston of Procter and Gamble, later MIT's and Auto IT Center in 1994. Though the prefers praise Internet of Things. At the point he viewed radio frequency kinetic eraser, radio frequency identification, essential the Internet of Things. IoT, which would allow computers to manage all individual things. Next, the Internet of Things is a system where items in the physical world and the sensors within or attached to these items. So, connected to the Internet via wireless or wired and Internet connections. Next one is consumer applications. Normally, the extensive set of applications for IoT devices is often divided into consumer, commercial, and infrastructure spaces. Next one, consumer application. In the consumer application, a growing portion of IoT devices are created for consumer use, including connected vehicles, home automation, wearable technology, contact item, and appliances with remote monitoring capabilities. In the consumer application, we are going to first topic or first title is smart home. IoT devices are a part of the larger concept of home automation, which can including lighting, heating and air conditioning, media and security system and camera system. So long-term benefits could include energy savings by automatically ensuring lights and electronics are turned off or by making the residents in the home aware of usage. In the smart home devices, part of the largest concept of home automation, which can include lighting, heating and air conditioning, media and security systems and camera system. Long-term benefit could include energy saved by automatically ensuring lights and electronics are turned off or by making the residents in the home aware of usage. A smart home or automated home could be based on platform or hubs that control small devices and appliances. In the IoT based evaluation of systems, the Moore's law is important to find the number of transistors in a dense integrated circuit doubles approximately every 2 years. In the Moore's law, the number of transistors in a dense integrated circuit doubles approximately every 2 years. So this is also applicable to the size of the internet. A smart home or automated home could be based on a platform or hubs that control small devices and appliances. For instance, using Apple's HomeKit, manufacturers can have their home products and accessories controlled by an application in iOS devices such as the phone and the Apple Watch. So this could be a dedicated app or iOS native application such as Siri. So this is can be demonstrated in the case of Lenovo Smart Home Essentials, which is a line of smart home devices that are controlled through Apple's Home app or Sri without the need of home devices in the cast of alarm. There are also dedicated smart home subs that are offered as stand-home platforms to connect different smart home products, and these include the Amazon Echo, Google Home, Apple's HomePod, and Samsung's SmartThings Hub. In addition to the commercial system, there are many professional open source ecosystems including the Home Assistant, OpenHAB, and Domotic 6. Next one is researchers have predicted that the size of the internet will double every 5.32 years. So, elder care, one key application of smart home is to provide a assistance for those with disabilities and elderly individuals. So, a smart um, home systems use assistive technology to accommodate and warn specific disabilities. Voice control can assist users with sight and mobility limitations, while alert systems can be connected directly to the cochlear implants worn by hearing impaired medical emergencies such as a falls or seizures. Smart home technology applied in the way can provide users with one more freedom and a lighter quality of life. Next one, IoT according to Cisco IBSU. It is a simply the point in time when more things or objects were connected to the internet than people. Considering the fraction of the world's population that is actually connected to the internet, elder care. These home systems use assistive technology to accommodate and own specific disabilities. Voice control can assist the users with the size and mobility limitations, while alert systems can be connected directly to the cochlear worn by hearing impaired users. They can also be equipped with the additional safety features. These features can include sensors that monitor for medical emergencies such as falls or seizures. Smart home technology applied in this way can provide users with more freedom and a higher equality of life. Next one, organizational applications in medical and healthcare. The Internet of Medical Things is an application of the IoT for medical and health related purposes, data collection and analysis of research and monitoring. The IoMT has been referenced as smart healthcare as the technology for creating a diagnosed healthcare systems. Specialized sensor can also be equipped within living spaces to monitor the health and general well-being of senior citizens, while also ensuring that proper treatment is being administered and assisting people to regain lost mobility via therapy as well. These sensors create a network of intelligent sensors that are able to collect, process, transfer, and analyze valuable information in different environment. So the environment sensors like moist, pollution, temperature, example, almost all of these devices are coupled with the actuators and or ventilators. Any sensors. Next one, the things or devices are classified as non-electrical objects like food and cargo, animals, trees, etc. Electrical devices that inherently black, sophisticated electronics, lighting, heating, water distribution system, etc. Devices with electronics built into them to fulfill their primary functions. Next one is car, bike, PDA and mobiles. Next one is virtualizing the object, recreating the functionality of a real world objects has the machine level of ease of reusability if it possibles or well defined. Then virtualizing the objects, recreating the functionality of real world object at the machine level, ease of reusability if it possesses well defined representation, better abstraction achieved, decrease the development time period improvement or any modularity. Next one is middleware, a software infrastructure that glues together the networking hardware, operating system, network stacks, and the application. It sits between the underlying protocols and the uh, application layer. Effective control and management of object convert the data from lower layers to provide the appropriate information to the application layer. The first application layer is connected your devices to the server. Next one is record and read the generated data. Third one is link the data to an application. Fourth one is cloud based design. First one is IoT in action Dubai. The specialized sensors can also be equipped within living spaces to monitor the health and general well-being of senior citizens, while also ensuring that proper treatment is being administered and passing people to regain and lose mobility via therapy as well. These sensors create a network of connecting in-home monitoring device to hospital-based systems. Other consumer device to encourage healthy living such as a connected scales or wearable heart monitors.